How to respond to a replacement offer. If you have received replacement offers and wish to respond, you have two ways to proceed. The first option is to locate the replacement offer with a pending status in your home calendar. By clicking on it, you can access the details of the replacement request. After reviewing the offer, you have the option to click Accept or Refuse at the bottom right of the window. The indicator on your home calendar will change to accepted status or disappear if you have refused it. The second option is to go to the Replacements module with the menu on the left. There you will find a list of all replacement offers, regardless of their statuses. Locate the pending offer and click on the pencil icon to view the details. Once again, you have the option to click Accept or Refuse at the bottom right of the window. The status of the offer will therefore change based on your choice. Thank you for trusting Scalego.